You know, whooping cough or pertussis is no joke, but the good news is that prevention is straightforward. The best way to protect yourself and others is through vaccination. The CDC recommends that everyone get vaccinated against whooping cough. If you've been around someone with it, talk to your healthcare provider about preventive antibiotics. These can help stop the infection before it starts. And don't forget about good hygiene. Wash your hands often with soap and water. Cover your mouth when you cough, and if you're feeling sick, stay home. Keeping your distance from those who has whooping cough is also key.